Maybe you have saved your money and you want to start poultry farming. Sometimes it is very hard to decide on which one to do, either broilers, layers. Everyone is curious about making profit, but sometimes you sit down and be like, supposing I put my money into this and they all die. Yeah, supposing I do this and that and they all die. Yeah, we've been there. We thought that. I told you in the previous videos that we did a house and it took us a year. When it was empty here, when we were still fearing to bring birds, because we had seen people how they had lost birds, and we're like, oh, I think this is a risky business. But in this video, I want to encourage you that in every business you must be willing to take a risk, a calculated one. And I will promise you that I'm going to share with you some of the tips that are going to help you on decision making. You are welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me for the very first time, my name is Asperia. This is my YouTube channel. So the very first thing you need to know, first of all, you need to do something, one thing at a go. Okay, there are so many people who are doing both layers and broilers. They are pretty doing well, but it's not something I would advise a beginner to do, because every breed comes with a different problem. You see, broilers, they take about 6 weeks to grow, but they are loaded with their own challenges. You see, layers, they take so many months to grow and be able to lay eggs and stay on your farm. They also have their own load of challenges. But at the end of the day, we have to do the poultry farming. So first of all, sit down, talk to yourself, and ask yourself, what am I passionate about? What do I love? Do I love broilers? I wanted to do broilers. Why? Because I knew they would bring me quick money, because yes, they sold after 6 weeks, and that is easy, like they don't take long. But then when I went into research and did visit some farmers who are doing broilers, I discovered that it's not something easy as we think. They have challenges. You have to feed, you have to learn this and that, which is not easy. And so when I also visited the other side of layers, I discovered that both sides have challenges, and so I was willing to take a risk and choose one side. And the reason why I chose to do layers, one, because I discovered that with layers, they don't give you pressure like to look for market, because they have a whole about 5 months before you even start getting eggs from them. So in those months, you are even able to move freely to town and be able to connect with the clients that are going to buy your eggs. And so for broilers, they are good. They can bring quick money if you do well and they get a better breed which grows quickly. You realize that you get money very fast. But you must have someone that is going to buy your birds before you even bring the stock. Why? Because they're going to only be at your farm for about 8 weeks. And so I discovered that I'm just an amateur. I've not started these things. I know nobody. So what am I going to do? How am I even going to start the marketing of broilers? So I zeroed down to layers. And during this time, I have learned a lot. And right now, I can't even do broilers, because at least I have market for my products. I have some connections here and there. I can even boldly tell people that I'm a farmer, because I've learned some things. I've seen how we handle chicks, how we grow them, how we treat them, how we vaccinate them. So as a beginner, please do not hurry into doing 2 things at the same time. Make sure you take your time, study something, do one thing at a go. It's okay to do both broilers and layers on the same farm, like different houses. But first take time and do research enough. And be sure you have customers that are going to buy your products. And at the end of the day, bring the chicks and start brooding and growing them. Because in there, you're going to be able to sell them. So as a beginner, it is always very good to start small. Yeah, sometimes you even have lots of capital. You want to bring thousands of birds, but then first you try. First bring small. It is better to start small than to start bigger, and then things will not turn out as you expected. And we've seen so many people who cry here on YouTube how they brought thousands of birds and they died just because they had no experience and etc. So I don't want my fellow beginners to go through the same, and that's why I can be able to share some things that I know about farming. So Make your decision, go and do what you are passionate about. If your heart really loves poultry farming, go and choose. If you love broilers, please do broilers. Have so much research about broilers, feeding, biosecurity, and etc. If it is in 2 layers, please do layers. Have research about layers, and then about layers, and then you will eventually make a decision and do what you're passionate about. And once you do something that you are comfortable with, trust me, you're going to do it better. You'll get more profits. You will, be better in that. Thank you so much for watching. I believe you found something very helpful. Be blessed. Bye.